Welcome! Today, we're going to explore how the law of attraction can transform not only your personal life, but also your success in the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Discover how to attract wealth and prosperity with the right mindset. Once upon a time in the digital age, there lived a curious soul named Alex. Alex had always been fascinated by the idea that thoughts have the power to shape reality, a principle known as the law of attraction. They believed that, like a beacon, every thought emitted a frequency into the universe, waiting to be matched with similar frequencies. One day, Alex stumbled upon an article about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As they delved deeper, a light bulb went off. What if, Alex thought, our minds are like a blockchain, and our thoughts are transactions waiting to be confirmed? This revelation sparked an exciting journey. Alex began to see their financial goals as blocks of desires waiting to be added to their life's blockchain. But how? They needed miners, their own emotions and beliefs, to verify and confirm these blocks. The clearer and more positive their thoughts, the faster the universe's network would confirm their desires. Inspired, Alex embarked on aligning their frequencies with their financial aspirations. They started with educating themselves about the world of cryptocurrencies, understanding it was not just about investment, but also about participating in a revolutionary shift towards decentralization and empowerment. Every night, Alex visualized their cryptocurrency portfolio growing, not just in numbers, but as a manifestation of their aligned thoughts and emotions. They crafted positive affirmations repeating, "I am a wise and intuitive cryptocurrency investor, attracting abundance effortlessly." Gratitude became Alex's daily practice. They were thankful for the learning process, the small gains, and even the setbacks, seeing them as confirmations from the universe's blockchain, guiding them towards greater success. Months passed, and Alex's portfolio began to reflect their inner alignment. Each successful investment felt like a block added to their chain of abundance. They knew it wasn't just luck or coincidence. It was the power of their thoughts, the clarity of their intentions, and their unwavering belief in the law of attraction. Alex's story spread, inspiring others to view their thoughts as powerful frequencies capable of attracting not just financial wealth but prosperity in all areas of life. They had discovered the secret to success in the digital age. Align your thoughts and emotions with your goals, just as transactions align on the blockchain, and watch as the universe confirms your desires, block by block. Clarity of intentions. Defining financial goals with clarity is akin to setting the sails on a journey through the tumultuous seas of the cryptocurrency market. It involves a deep introspection about what one seeks to achieve, be it financial independence, wealth accumulation, or supporting innovative blockchain projects. This step is crucial, as clear intentions serve as the guiding star in the vast and often unpredictable crypto universe. One must ask, what specific outcomes do I envision for my crypto investments? This clear vision lays the foundation for a focused strategy, enabling an investor to navigate through market volatilities with a sense of purpose and direction. Visualization. Visualization is the act of creating a vivid mental image of achieving one's financial goals, seeing the crypto portfolio not just as a series of numbers on a screen, but as a dynamic entity that grows and evolves. This practice is about embedding the belief in one's subconscious that success in the crypto market is not just possible, but inevitable. By regularly visualizing the portfolio reaching targeted milestones, one essentially programs the mind to identify and seize the opportunities that can make those visuals a reality. It's a way of preparing oneself to make informed, bold decisions, grounded in the conviction of their eventual success. Positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that reinforce an individual's ability to succeed as a cryptocurrency investor. By affirming one's wisdom, intuition, and capacity to navigate the crypto market, these affirmations help cultivate a mindset of abundance and confidence. Repeating statements like, "I am a wise and intuitive cryptocurrency investor," acts as a psychological reinforcement, encouraging persistence, resilience, and a proactive approach to investing. It's about affirming one's value and potential in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Gratitude. Gratitude in the context of cryptocurrency investing means acknowledging and appreciating every step of progress, no matter how small. This practice not only fosters a positive outlook, but also attracts more success and abundance. Recognizing the lessons in losses, the gains, and even the stability in one's crypto journey cultivates an environment where gratitude thrives. This positive energy resonates, creating a magnet for further success, as it aligns one's vibration with the frequency of abundance and prosperity. Navigating volatility with a positive mindset. The volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market can test even the most seasoned investors. Maintaining a positive and focused mindset amidst this volatility is crucial. Meditation emerges as a powerful tool in this context, offering a way to clear the mind, reduce stress, and enhance focus. By meditating, one can remain detached from short-term fluctuations, focusing instead on long-term goals and strategies. Patience and a vision for the future are indispensable virtues in the realm of crypto investing. They allow an investor to see beyond the immediate turmoil, understanding that the path to significant rewards is often paved with patience and steadfastness. By contextualizing these principles, one can see how the law of attraction and practical investment strategies converge in the pursuit of success within the cryptocurrency market. These practices are about more than just financial gain. They are a comprehensive approach to personal and financial growth, harnessing the power of one's thoughts, emotions, and actions towards achieving desired outcomes. Incorporating the law of attraction with profound insights into the cryptocurrency market not only paves the way for financial success, but also enriches your life with a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy. The methodologies of defining clear intentions, engaging in powerful visualization, affirming your successes through positive declarations, and embracing gratitude for every step of progress are transformative. These are not merely strategies, but a lifestyle that aligns the vibrational frequency of your desires with the universe, particularly in the dynamic field of cryptocurrencies. I bring to the table an extensive knowledge base and expertise in the cryptocurrency sector, and my ambition goes beyond personal success. I am committed to fostering a community of informed and empowered investors who are not only equipped to navigate the complexities of the market, but are also aligned with the abundance mindset that the law of attraction cultivates. For those who resonate with this vision and are eager to embark on a journey of financial enlightenment and growth, I extend an open invitation to join me. My plan is to create a symbiotic environment where sharing knowledge and experiences becomes the cornerstone of collective success. Whether you are a novice intrigued by the potential of cryptocurrencies or an experienced investor seeking to deepen your understanding and refine your strategies, I am here to offer guidance, share insights, and explore the profound connections between mindset and material success. If you're willing to dive deeper into how the law of attraction can amplify your cryptocurrency endeavors, or if you seek mentorship in navigating the intricate pathways of digital investments, I encourage you to engage. Leave a comment, express your interest, or share your queries. Together, we can explore more about how these spiritual and financial realms intertwine. My goal is not just to aid in your financial ascent, but also to invite you into a journey where helping each other becomes the key to unlocking boundless possibilities. Let's start this collaborative journey towards not only enriching our wallets, but also our lives. Your willingness to learn and contribute opens the door to a world where financial prosperity and personal growth go hand in hand. Remember to share your story, subscribe for a continuous flow of insights, and ring that notification bell. Your path to becoming a successful cryptocurrency investor, empowered by the law of attraction and supported by a community of like-minded individuals, begins today.